Former U.S. President Donald Trump is talking about day he participated Trump's civil trial in state Supreme Court, New York City, Manhattan District. City, Manhattan. November 9. On Thursday, Donald Trump's lawyers ask New York judge to decide on civilian against former U.S. President. Long shot in the midst of hearing that threatens to prevent real estate empire. The request for effective termination of case came to open court the day after New York Chief Public Prosecutor's office listened to 2 adult sons and 10 companies against Trump. New York Chief Public Prosecutor Letitia James claims that Trump family businesses manipulate the value of golf fields, hotels, other assets in billions of dollars to provide better agreements with lenders, insurance companies. Trump's lawyers asked the Justice Arthur Engoron a directed decision, which is a finding that no one can manage reasonable in favor of the opponent party. It is not possible for Engoron to give the request because Trump and his 10 businesses have already made a permanent. It is not clear when Engoron will manage his demands. If the movement is rejected, the hearing is expected to continue in mid-December. Trump, his sons Donald Jr.And Eric and his daughter Ivanka stated they transferred financial statements in Hart case to accountants. But evidence that hearing arose shows all of them are included in all them. A lawyer, Kevin Wallace, for the Chief Public Prosecutor's office said that they could not avoid responsibility. Each of the defendants signed documents that said they were responsible for the preparation of statements. The heart of this case, Wal Wallace said. James is looking for a penalty of at least $250 million, and Trump and his adult sons want restrictions to effectively prevent the New York real estate business for 5 years. Trump, pioneer of the 2024 Republican presidential candidacy, supervised a re-elected Democrat James and judge of political prejudice and election intervention trial. Trump, who challenged on Monday and testifies, said that asset values are sometimes wrong, but they are not related to banks and insurers. Trump's lawyer Christopher Kise said on Thursday that banks that do business with the Trump organization have benefited from loans. Kise, no sacrifice. All of these are now founded, said. He also said that Trump's financial statements were open waives that advise banks to independently verify their valuation. Engoron was suspicious of this argument he rejected in previous decisions. You say the fact that someone says don't believe me. Does he prove what they're not lying? Kise said it is no point that Trump told the banks to say to do their own homework if he tries to deceive them. In 4 criminal cases, a defendant in 2 criminal cases arising from attempts to overthrow the 2020 election loss. Nevertheless, the Republican is a leadership that commands its rivals for the 2024 presidential nomination.